Hi guys, I'm Satisby Squish and welcome to another video. So today in this video I'm going to do Reviewing My Slimes Part 3. And oh my gosh, I have tried to upload this video about 3 or 4 times now. It has not worked any of those times. So I'm trying this again, and this is going to be one of the last times. I swear. The last one, something was wrong with my ring light, so it kept like falling into frame and like blocking out half of the footage. Yeah, that happened. Whatever. Okay, so I'm going to get into it. So the first slime I have here is a Floam slime, and it's really rippy because I was doing this booth and other people got to play with slime, so I had to make it really overactivated. I have a bit of a cold, if you can't tell. Well, not really a cold, just a cough, but like, still. Also, based on my previous video, a previous video I made, the cats versus rats, that one, you guys really seem to like it, so I'm going to do another one, but not with butter and toast. It's gonna be all of my cats. And since they're more mobile than rats, it might be very interesting. Yeah. Alright, so the next slime is a, what's it called? It's a butter slime, and this one's really bad, so I'm not going to have it out for long. It's, oh my gosh, it is super tough, and it stains your hands. I don't think I have to say much more about this. I'm going to just put it back in its container because it really doesn't deserve to be in this video. Well, I don't even know why I still have that slime, but whatever. So this slime, it's another butter slime, and this one I made with Unicorn Puff. And so we tried to remake one of her slimes, and we did it in a video, but that video isn't going to happen because it was so terrible. It was terrible. Like, I have to be honest, it was bad. It would have taken so long to edit. And if you guys don't know, for me to upload one video, I have to airdrop the footage to a device and then put it into iMovie, then do all the stuff I need to do, then airdrop it back to my other device, and airdrop it back to my other device, and then upload it to YouTube. And so it takes a really long time. Oh, I forgot to say the recipe for the last one. It's white glue, activator, and Floam, and this one is Daiso clay, white glue, and activator. So, since I don't want to make this video too long, I'm gonna not really speed through these, but kinda. So this one used to be a rainbow slime, but in my first attempt at this video, I mixed up the rainbow, so this is what it is. I'll insert a clip right now. Okay, so yeah, it's super glossy and amazing, and just saying, the camera does not do this justice. This is like liquid silver, and it is gorgeous. Amazing. Like, I'm not being biased, but I'm speechless. It is a little sticky, but I can fix that, and just a little because I don't want to ruin it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Like, this slime is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I don't know what it looks like on camera, but it's this beautiful, I know I'm saying that a lot, beautiful silverish, brownish, bronzish, goldish color that's amazing. I love it. Also, if you like my unique content, like reviewing my slimes, for example, then subscribe and leave a like and share this video with your friends so they can watch it, and have them share it with their friends so they can watch it, and then their friends will share it to their, you get it. But yeah, and also I have to say one thing. The support on the channel has been awesome, and you guys, even though I haven't uploaded in so long, you guys still obviously care about this channel, and I am so very thankful for that. And yes, I would like to thank you all for taking part in my channel, because it's simply amazing. Anyway, the next slime is a foam slime, yet another foam slime. There's more yet to come, just saying. So this one I made with white glue, foam beads, and activator. And the previous slime was the thing, oh my gosh, I forgot, it was clear glue, activator, and pigment. I made a tutorial about that. There will be more of those. And then the bad slime was white glue, activator, and clay. So, yeah. Alright, so the next and I think final slime is another foam slime. And this one, I am not sure if I showed it in a video, but I'm pretty sure I didn't. So there's like a ton of foam at the top, which I absolutely adore. And so I kind of themed it to look like confetti cake batter. That's why I called it confetti cake batter, and that's why I scented it confetti cake batter. So, yeah. It's so nice. And, I mean, it can sometimes be a little sticky, but not really. Like, once it's mixed in with all the foam beads, it's not sticking much at all. And it does have a little bit of fallout, but I don't really mind. This one, so I think I mentioned this. So the brownie slime from previously in this series, that one was from a market. Well, this one was from the same market, but it didn't have any of the foam beads in it, only these big ones. And it was this tan color, and after the market, no one bought it, so I picked it up, and I was like, I'll bring you home. So I eventually added all kinds of foam beads, and I was like, I love these, and so I added an entire container full. And so, yeah. Oh my gosh, what was I going to say? Oh yeah, I made this one with white glue, activator, and foam beads. This one was originally themed a s'mores slime, but then, of course I added the foam beads, so it wasn't really s'mores anymore. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly did. And I would like to thank you all so much again. Hope you like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And yeah, bye. Thank you all.